Hey guys, it's Trista. I wanted to show you this cute and very easy July 4th wreath that I made. Don't need a lot of materials. Basically, you can find all of these at a craft store or easily order them online. I'll give you my sources at the end of this, but I used an 18-inch wood floral wreath with some ribbons that I ordered on Amazon, and they were also like scraps that I had. I used this old truck wood die cut that I ordered off Etsy. And then I just used some traditional paints and a couple of faux geranium stems, some floral wire, some hot glue, and of course you'll need some scissors. So probably the most creatively challenging thing was deciding what colors I wanted to paint the truck with. And so you can see there, stuck with the red, white, and blue, and kind of to give it some dimension, I would mix the white with some of the colors to give some layered effect. I don't know if you can see it super well, but yeah, so use that with the gold and the blue for sure. Okay, and so to make this even super simpler, I used a pre-made bow that I got from Michael's, and I had just some leftover scraps of fabric. I mean, I bought a couple of rolls, but I also had some leftover scraps of fabric that I just kind of folded up and attached to the pre-made bow. So I made this sort of faux tie and wired a scrap to the back of it and hot glued it all together, and then literally just hot glued it onto the wood frame. Okay, and you're going to cover up the whole wood frame, so it didn't matter where it went. And then after the wood truck was dry, I went ahead and glued that onto the side. And then honestly, to cover the rest of the wood frame, it was super simple. I took the floral stems, I pulled off the leaves, pulled off the flowers, threw the stems away, and I trimmed them so that they would lay flat, provided the background, and hot glued all of the stems down. And then after that, I just took the geranium clusters and kind of arranged them sort of sporadically, kind of grouped them together, glued them all down, and tied on a piece of jute so I could hang it on my door. There you go. Super simple, fun, custom 4th of July wreath.